Hello and welcome to the European Institute of Natural Biophysics. I'm pleased to get you to this first introductory course on chlorine dioxide and oxidative therapies. Let's get started. What are we going to learn? First of all, we find out what chlorine dioxide is, what properties are and how it works, fundamental concepts about oxidation and pH, learn about the story behind its discovery, the difference between products, MMS, CD, CDS and chlorine dioxide itself, the precautions, toxicity and things to keep in mind when handling the substance, how are MMS, CD and CDS made, and fascinating cases and laboratory trials we have concluded. And in these annexes you will have the complementary information, videos, testimonials and other things. Does it seem a little bit too much? Don't worry, we have designed this course to be accessible and understandable for everyone. In case of doubts, you can always contact us via email or through the webinars that will be taught by myself. What is chlorine dioxide? Chlorine dioxide is a synthetic gas that does not occur naturally. It is obtained by reacting sodium chloride with an acid. We usually use hydrochloric acid at 4%. In the past, citric acid at 50% was used, but hydrochloric acid is preferable. We will explain all these details shortly. It is a very simple molecule composed of 2 oxygen atoms and 1 chlorine atom. Here it is. I introduce you to our friend, ClO2.
Hello!
It is extremely soluble in water and does not create chemical bonds. It means the gas dissolves entirely in the water. When dissolved, it gives a yellowish-greenish color and a chlorine-like smell. To this day, it is best known water purifier as it eliminates viruses, bacteria, fungi and small-sized parasites with high pH range. It is used in the food industry to purify foods under the reference of E926 and also to disinfect surgical instruments and to disinfect and store blood in blood banks is required by law. Do you think a toxic substance will be used to disinfect blood? As you might know, many people criticize us, either intentionally lying or out of pure ignorance. Most of the detractors are very misinformed and attack us, saying things like, "You are giving people bleach." Sodium chloride is not bleach. That's sodium hypochlorite. In the same way that water, that's H2O, is not hydrogen peroxide or oxygenated water, H2O2. So let's discuss science accurately. In moments like this, I always have to think what Einstein said.